Okay, this is Cadillac CTS 2010, and the common issue is you cannot open the trunk sometimes, and the reason is a broken wire here. To remove these things right here, the rubber things,
you just pull them off.
You just pull them off.
You're supposed to, I guess, slide them out. Just pull this one right here on each side.
Yeah, and this
first.
one out.
Yeah, and then you slide them out. That's what you gotta do.
Yeah.
And everything else is just open, self-explanatory, I guess. It's gonna be tough. Give me a clip of more.
Then use a 7mm socket to remove the bolts, to remove the handle. Okay, this is the wire you're looking at.
This is the hardest. The whole thing is kind of pretty tight fit. Did I break? No, I didn't. It's kind of tough sitting.
Then you unwrap this thing right here. Can you get it?
Yeah, just got it now.
And then pull this out. This is gonna be in the way.
Okay. That's it.
And
then we slide it down.
Yep, just slide it down.
Broken wire right here.
Yep. That's the keys.
That's the trunk. That's what. This thing is garbage.
It's bad?
Yeah. Do you have another one?
There is.
Go get him.
Then we're gonna use these kind of connectors.
Just to connect these two.
Yeah.
Together.
This way you don't have to solder anything. Use those.
This is the red one. Can you go get another one?
Those are fine.
Just gonna clip it like so. And the one on the bottom as well. Who would have known, huh? That this thing breaks.
So it's only one wire, huh?
Just one wire here. Actually, we're gonna test it.
Now we're gonna test if it works. Yep. Yes. We can hear the clicking.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's the wire.
Then I use some torch to get the edges so the moisture doesn't get in. What was that? Hold it. Don't hit the whole thing.
It won't
Just go
shrink.
around.
It won't shrink. This is not the one you used to have.
It should.
This is unshrinkable. I guess. Why would it find some tape, I guess?
I guess it doesn't shrink.
Yeah, not this one.
Not the right one, but use some electric tape.
Yeah, let's use electric tape. I'm gonna wrap it around and it's gonna be good to go. Just gonna use this one. It's a lot better than the other tape. Than electric tape. Electric tape gets messy.
Paper tape.
Yeah. Way to go. I'll stay there for hours.
So yeah, that's how you fix a trunk that doesn't open. On Cadillac CTS 2010.
Now you put all the things back together as if they
Yeah.
weren't. We get to